I am very much delighted to come in front of you, and it is my luck that I am willing to teach you. And it goes without reminding that we are studying the prepositions, so many kinds, so many elements of preposition we have studied, and we clear the use of amongst, amid, and amidst, and about. And there are a lot more prepositions to be cleared and described because we need to get its basic and fundamental rules. Loving children and friends, we know that there is a very famous proverb in our Latin language. That famous proverb in our Latin language is "Time sest moneta." It means in English language, time is money. Really, time is money. Time is money means that if we value time, if we understand its valuation, if we follow its path or way, we can get success and we can enjoy the fruit of our labor. Okay, so without wasting even a single moment of time, let's take the pen in the hand and let's open the notebook and be ready to study. The person continued. I'm taking up the next point, the application of across. The application of across. This grammatical element is a simple word preposition which bears its fundamental meaning as from this side to that side and that side. It means in Hindi आर पार के ऊपर में एंड उस पार. Grammatically, it is used to indicate something that touches two different points. Then it means आर पार के ऊपर and में. When something touches only another point as a location, it means उस पार. The grammatical element is across. The grammatical element across is a simple word preposition which bears its fundamental meaning as from this side to that side and that side. It means in Hindi आर पार के उस पार में and उस पार. Grammatically it is used to indicate something that touches two different points then it means आर पार के उस पार and में. When something touches only another point as or location, it means उस पार. The rule is not enough unless we take a convenient example. Now let's take a very easy example to understand. Warwick Gracia. नदी के आर पार एक पुल है या नदी में एक पुल है या नदी के ऊपर एक पुल है. We know that only this sentence will help us to understand the basic grammatical rule of across. There are three sentences of Hindi, but these three sentences are single one. The three sentences containing the single preposition के आर पार, में, के ऊपर. These three elements are single preposition. When something touches two different sources, two different points, two different things, and combines or connects, it is used. And here it means के आर पार, में, and के ऊपर. There is a bridge across the river. मेरा घर नदी के उस पार है. There is a river. There are two shores or sides of a river. Leave the first side or shore and concern the second side. The location of the house is, or flat is, or building is to the second side. मेरा घर नदी के उस पार है. My house is across the river. Okay? When something touches another point, leaving the first one. When something touches another point, also leaving the first one, it means here उस पार. In that sense, it is used. Okay? Thank you.